GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi children! In the previous video, we have covered the topics schools of fish and fishermen in their boats. In this video, let us cover the topics water catch and which boat gets how much. Now, let us get into the topic water catch. Children, here is a story. Let us read it. Out on the sea, fishermen look for a place where they hope to find a good catch of fish. There they spread their nets. They will have to wait for many hours for the fish to come into their nets. Look at the different types of boats. Some boats have motors and go further into the sea. Since they go far out, they can catch more fish. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Children, we have some questions. Let us see the first question. How far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? Children, as you know, these motor boats travel 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Let us write that. Motor boats travel 20 kilometers in 1 hour. So children, if these motor boats travel 20 kilometers in 1 hour, then how many kilometers will they travel in 3.5 hours? So first, let us write 20 into 3. That is, in 3 hours, how many kilometers will they travel? Here we have 20 kilometers per hour. So, if we multiply 20 and 3, we will get how many kilometers will the motor boats travel in 3 hours. So, 3 2s are 6. We have a 0, so it is 60. 60 kilometers. So, children, these motor boats travel 60 kilometers in 3 hours. So, we need to find for 3.5 hours. So, if in 1 hour they travel 20 kilometers, in half an hour they will travel, that is half an hour into they travel the distance in 1 hour. So, if we cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and 0, that is we got 10 kilometers in half an hour. So children, in 1 hour, if we travel 20 kilometers, in half an hour, they will travel 10 kilometers. So, 3 hours plus half an hour, 3.5 hours. If we add these distances, we will get the distance travelled in 3.5 hours. So, 60 plus 10 is equal to 70. So, it is nothing but 70 kilometers. So, how far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours? They travel 70 kilometers in 3.5 hours.
Let us see the next question. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometers?
Let us see. Children, in 1 hour, they travel 20 kilometers. Let us write. In 1 hour, motorboats travel 20 kilometers. So children, in 4 hours, how much distance will they travel? See, 4 into 20. To find out how much distance will they travel in 4 hours, we need to multiply 4 into 20. 4 is nothing but the number of hours and 20 is nothing but the distance travelled in 1 hour. So, 4 2s are 8 and we have 0, it is 80. 4 into 20 is 80, it is 80 kilometers. So children, they travel 80 kilometers in 4 hours. We need to find how much time will they take to travel 85 kilometers. So, already we got 80 kilometers in 4 hours. So, let us calculate for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is nothing but 1/4 hour. 1/4, that is 1/4 hour. That is nothing but 1/4 into 20. Let us check for the time 1/4 hour into the distance travelled in 1 hour, which is 20 kilometers. So, 1/4 into 20 gives 20/4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. 20 ones are 20 by 4 and 4 ones are 4, 4 fives are 20. It is nothing but 5 kilometers. So, in 1/4 hour, that is 15 minutes. In 15 minutes is nothing but the 1/4 hour. In 1/4 hour, they traveled 5 kilometers. So, if we add 80 and 5, it gives 85. 80 plus 5 is equal to 85 kilometers. So, we got 85 kilometers. We need to find how much time will they take. See, this is in 4 hours. 80 kilometers in 4 hours, 5 kilometers in 15 minutes. If we add 4 hours and 15 minutes, it is 4 hours 15 minutes. So, they travel 85 kilometers in 4 hours 15 minutes. That is 4 hours 15 minutes. But the fishermen are now very worried. There are some very big machine boats called trawlers in the business. They go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish, leaving very few near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. These big machine boats also catch the small baby fish which have yet to grow up. Fishermen in the smaller boats always let the baby fish pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They choose a net size in such a way that only the grown-up fish are caught. For hundreds of years, fishermen have cared for the sea and its fishes and fished only a little to eat and sell. They say that if trawler catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, there will be no fish left in the sea.
Children, we have a question here. Let us see the question. Write a news report about the dangers faced by the fishes in our rivers and seas.
Children, this is the news report. Let us read it. Dangers of trawlers, big machine boats are posing big danger to the fish population and to small fishermen. These trawlers go very far from the shore and spread their big net. These big nets catch a huge amount of fish. They also catch small baby fishes. Traditional fishermen use nets which allow baby fish to escape. Thus, traditional fishermen take care of fish population. Big trawlers hamper the natural growth of fish population in the ocean. They are also a threat to the livelihood of traditional fishermen. These trawlers can result in fish stock getting finished in the ocean. This will also lead to huge unemployment for traditional fishermen.
Now, let us get into the topic, which boat gets how much?
Children, let us read this story. In one trip, the log boat brings about 20 kg of fish. But other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boat, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate.
Children, we have a table here. In this table, we have type of boat, catch of fish in one trip, which is in kg, and also we have speed of the boat, that is how far it goes in 1 hour. First, let us see logboat. Logboat catches 20 kg of fish in one trip with the speed of 4 kilometers per hour. Now, let us see long-tail boat. Long-tail boat catches 600 kg of fish in one trip with the speed of 12 kilometers per hour. Let us see motorboat. Motorboat catches 800 kg of fish in one trip with the speed of 20 kilometers per hour. Now, let us see machine boat. Machine boat catches 6000 kg of fish in one trip with the speed of 22 kilometers per hour. Children, we have some questions. Let us see the first question. A. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips?
children. See, we need to find how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. Here we have 4 types of boats. Let us solve one by one. First, let us solve for log boat. Children, see, in one trip, log boat catches 20 kg of fish. We need to find for 7 trips. So, if we multiply 20 into 7, we will get the answer. 20 into 7. Children, 7 twos are 14 and we have a 0 here. So, it is 140. 20 into 7 is equal to 140 kg. So, log boat catches 140 kg of fish in 7 trips. Now, let us see for long tail boat. Children, long tail boat catches 600 kg of fish in one trip. We need to find out for 7 trips. So, we will multiply 600 into 7. 6 sevens are 42 and we have 2 zeros, that is 4200 kg. So, children, long tail boat catches 4200 kg of fish in 7 trips. Now let us find out for motor boat. Children, motor boat catches 800 kg of fish in one trip. So, we need to find out for 7 trips. Let us multiply 800 into 7. 8 sevens are 56 and we have 2 zeros. So, it is 5600. 800 into 7 is equal to 5600 kg. So, children, motorboat catches 5600 kg of fish in 7 trips. Now, let us find for machine boat. Children, machine boat catches 6000 kg of fish in one trip. We need to find out for 7 trips. So, let us multiply 6000 into 7. So, children, 6 sevens are 42 and we have 3 zeros. So, 42,000 kg. 6,000 into 7 is equal to 42,000. So, children, machine boat catches 42,000 kg of fish in 7 trips.
Now, let us see the next question. B. About how far can can a motor boat go in 6 hours?
Let us see. Children, motor boat travels 20 kilometers per hour. That is, motor boat travels 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Motorboat travels 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Children, we need to find out how much distance will the motorboat travel in 6 hours. To find out that, we need to multiply 20 into 6. So, 20 kilometers into 6. This is the distance travelled and this is the time taken. So, 6 2s are 12 and we have a 0. It is 120. 20 into 6 is equal to 120 kilometers. So, children, in 6 hours, a motorboat travels 120 kilometers. Let us write. Motorboat travels 120 kilometers in 6 hours.
Now, let us see the next question. See, if a long-tailed boat has to travel 60 kilometers, how long will it take?
Let us see. Children, see, a long-tailed boat travels 12 kilometers per hour. Long-tailed boat travels 12 kilometers per hour. So children, it travels 12 kilometers per hour. We need to find out how much time will it take to travel 60 kilometers. So we need to find the time. Children, we have time is equal to distance by speed. To calculate the time, we have distance by speed. So children, what is the distance? Distance is 60 kilometers. By we have speed. That is, speed will be 12 kilometers. 60 by 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 fives are 60. So, 5 by 1 will be 5. We have calculated time. Let us write 5 hours. So, children, long-tail boat takes 5 hours of time to travel 60 kilometers. Let us write. Long-tail boat takes 5 hours of time to travel 60 kilometers. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description.
Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.